Welcome to my channel. My name is Abigail. If this is your very first time here, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. My name is Abigail. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a crisscross hairstyle while we are having the middle of the hair flat. I know most of the crisscross hairstyle are usually a half up half down hairstyle, so but this time around we'll be doing a middle crisscross hairstyle. So the first thing I did was to section my hair into three, then the middle part I sectioned them so I'll be able to add gel to it easily. So as I part, I had my gel, as I section I had my gel, then brush it down so that I'm going to get that sleek feel, because we want the center to be very flat and nice. So basically that's all. In this video I used a black gel. You can use any gel you're comfortable with. So basically that's it. Make sure you detangle your hair so you'll be able to, so the gel be able to go in your hair very well and you'll have a stick feel, because if your hair is not well detangled it won't be so flat. Yeah, so you add the gel, you brush down to make it feel sleek. Can you see how sleek it is? Oh my gosh. While I was doing this video I was so happy. So that's it. Sleek, make it so sleek. Then I tied it, used my shoelace to pack it at the back. Can you see how sleek and flat and laid back it is? Oh my gosh. So for this other side, I'm going to be detangling my hair. I'm using a white comb to detangle my hair. Then I'm going to be sectioning it into 6. So this is the first part. Then I add the gel to the base. Then use my rubber band for it to hold it in place. When you're using the rubber band, please make sure not to allow it to be too tight so that your edges will not, there will be no tension on your edges. So I did that for, as I sectioned the whole part of my hair, the both side. So in total I did 6. You can do as many as you want. You can make it 3 if you want. You can make it 10. But in this video I did it into 6. Yeah, 6. So now we are done with the sectioning. It's time to crest them. So roll the ends and add gel to it so you have the slick feel, because it's all about it being slick. Okay, so you roll it so it stays in place, that way to be easier to manage. You could weave it if you want, you could weave or twist, but for this video I'm just going to be rolling it because it's easier that way. But if you want a firmer version, you can weave it. So after joining the two parts together, I separated them again to join the one at the back, just as you can see in the video. Then continue that way till you get to the end of the sections. Make sure to detangle your hair while you're doing this, because if you don't detangle it, you may not get that flat, smooth feel we're looking for. It's just go all rough and the hair will be flying everywhere. Okay, so that's it. Do the same process till we get to the end. Yeah, we're true. Can see how beautiful it is. So, I forgot to remove puppy pins. See how beautiful it is. You can do this hairstyle to work, to school, for your party. Actually, wore mine for a party. So, you can do it for a date. You can wear it anywhere. So for the back of my hair, that is the remaining ends of the hair, I decided to make it into curls, so I'll have more beauty. The hair will look more beautiful. So I used the gel. Then after using the gel, I used my finger to curl the hair. Just hard gel, finger coil, hard gel, finger coil till you get everywhere. You could use your brush to make it easier for you to coil it. Yeah, that way it's nice. So I use a paper clip to accessorize the hair to make it look more beautiful, and I did that all the way down. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below and put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a video comes up, when I have a new video. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment sections. Thank you.